Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to change DNS server on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to change your DNS servers, so let's see how can you do it. First, you have to open your phone settings. In settings, just go for more connections, tap on it, and here you just have to select private DNS, just tap on it, and here you can select one of three options, which is private DNS mode off, automatic, or private DNS provider hostname. If you set this automatic, so your private DNS will be set automatically by phone. But if you set private DNS provider hostname, so just tap on it, and here you can enter the host name. As you can see, I have already entered, which is dns.adgod.com. Then tap on save. And that's how you can change DNS server on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.